In this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my garden beds for winter crops. So the seeds we are planting in these two beds are carrots, more carrots, coral lettuce, beetroot, peas, more lettuce, cabbage. So we're going to do the same exact plants in each bed, set out the exact same way, same watering, everything, same mulch, and we'll see which has the better results. Now let's wait until they sprout. After a few weeks, I realized that these beds have been overtaken by pests. I'm going to try spray them with antifungal spray, see if that fixes any of the problems, but I'm also going to put in some snail poison because there is a few snails in here to try prevent them from coming back, and we'll see if that fixes any of the issues.